Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Alhamdulillah. Assalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahil amin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Um, kelas kita welcome everybody to our uh, second class, second online class for basic electronic instrumentation. Okay, today I have something that I need to attend. Um, so I prepare a asynchronous video for you. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, today is the first chapter, electronic components. Okay, first chapter is electronic component. Lecturer is Razali Muda. So this is previous semester lecturer. I hope you have a copy of this slide. Okay. So today we will cover the first component, the resistor, then the capacitor. Okay, another two components will be covered in another video. Okay, let's change this to blue. Okay, I think everybody knows, but okay, everybody already familiar with the components of uh, electronics because you are, I think, most of you in third year already. Anyway, it's okay. So first is the resistor R, R in the unit of ohm, resistor. Function of the resistor to limit current, to divide voltage, and to generate heat in certain cases. The unit is in ohm, so you're familiar with normally kilo ohm, mega ohm. Okay. There are two categories, fixed and variable. We have a fixed resistor and variable resistor. Fixed resistor, okay, this is. So the fixed resistor is one common type, carbon composition, which is made with a mixture of finely ground carbon, insulating filter, a resin and a binder. So basically this is the composition of resistor, carbon and insulating filler. Okay, so it is fixed value. You check the color and you get the value of the resistor. Another one is, so you have this color band, resistance material, insulated coating and leads. Okay. Fixed resistors are color coded with 4 bands to indicate the resistance value and the tolerance. So you have 4 bands, 4 color. So three bands represent the resistance value, and another band or another one color represent the tolerance. Okay, some types of fixed resistors come with value tolerance of 5% and 10%. So this is the tolerance. Tolerance means a plus minus. The bands are always located closer to one end. Okay, so you have band 1, 2, 3, and 4 bands. So the first band represents the first digit of the resistance value. The second band represents second digit. Third band represents the multiplier or number of zeros or the value of k lah basically. Yeah? And the fourth band represents the percentage tolerance plus minus. Okay, this is how you check the value using color code. Okay, ini tingkatan satu punya. Okay, tak apalah. Okay, first band, first digit, second digit, third digit, and fourth, the tolerance. The first band is the first digit of the resistance value. Basically, yang first tu dia dekat dengan dia punya kaki dia ni. Okay, dia start dengan yang dekat dengan kaki. The first band is the first digit of the resistance value. Second band is the second digit of the resistance value. Third band is the number of zeros following the second digit, also known as multiplier. Darab berapa? Kilo. Berapa kosong? The fourth band indicates the percentage tolerance and is usually gold or silver. Gold or silver in color. If there is no fourth band, the tolerance is 20%. Okay, if there is no fourth band, kalau dia tak tulis, tak ada ni, meaning that the tolerance is 20%, assume approximately 20%. Okay, this is the value according to the color. So black is 0, brown is 1, red and 2, orange is 3, yellow is 4, blah 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 blah. The resistance value, first three bands. First band, first digit. Second band, second digit. Third band, number of multiplier, number of zeros. Okay. Fourth band, tolerance. Gold represent 5%. Silver represent 10%. Plus minus, huh? Plus minus. So if there is no tolerance, it means it is plus minus 20%. For resistance value less than 10 ohm, 10 ohm, okay, 10 ohm ni kecil sangat. The third band is either gold or silver. Gold is for a multiplier of 0.1 and silver is for a multiplier 0.01. Okay, ini untuk yang perintang yang rare ni lah, 10 ohm, sikit sangat. Jangan lupa lah. Okay, example, 4-band color code resistor. Boleh nampak? Okay. Red, violet, orange, silver. Start dengan yang dekat dengan kaki dia kan. So first red, second violet, orange third, and silver fourth. So macam mana baca? Red 2, ada ni. Violet 7, orange 3. 3 means 3 zeros. Or 3 zeros means 1000 lah. To 1000, okay. Multiplier, multiply by 1000. So 27,000. 27 multiply by 1000 equal to 27,000. 27,000 kita tulis macam mana? 27 kilo ohm. So K is multiplied by 10 to the power of 3. Okay, 27 kilo ohm. Resist plus minus 10%. So berapa nilai dia? 27K minus 2.7K, 27K plus 2.7K. 10% kan? Okay, so nilai perintah ni can be from 24.3K hingga 59.7K. Nilai dia boleh jadi antara nilai ni lah. Itu maksud dia lah, plus minus 10%. Macam mana nak tahu? Macam mana tahu? Senang je. Dia ambil multimeter, cucuk lah. Letak multimeter, measure dia berapa. Kalau dia jatuh, if the value is between this range, then it is correct. Okay, the second example, the first one is brown, the second one is black, the third one is brown. So 1, 0, brown. 1, 0 multiplied by 10. Okay, 10 multiplied by 10. So the value is 100. 100. The tolerance is silver, 10%. So 100 ohm plus minus 10%. So you can write this in terms of kilo ohm, 0.1 kilo ohm. So the value for this resistor is 100 minus 10%, minus 10, 100 plus 10 ohm. So the value should be between 90 ohm up to 110 ohm. Okay. So that is the value of the resistor according to the color. Okay, next. So this is another example. So you have green, blue, green, gold. So now the tolerance is gold in color. So you have 5%. So green is 5, blue is 6, 5, 6. Green if 5 zeros, 5 zeros is 10 to the power of 50 is 100,000, right? Okay, so 10 to the power of 5. So 5, 6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5, you get 5.6 mega ohm. 5.6 10 to the power of 6. Okay, so this is equal to 5.6 mega ohm. Okay, so mega ohm is 10 to the power of 6, right? So plus minus 5%. So in real case, for our practical, basically, if you have a resistor, you don't need to check the color lah. In lab, we don't calculate the resistance according to the color. We just connect the resistor to the multimeter, and you will get straight away the value of the resistor. Yeah. Okay, that is the easiest way lah in practical. You need to remember, if you measuring the resistor, you need to disconnect the resistor from any voltage source or any current source. You just measure the resistor on its own without connecting to any power source. Okay, in the lab we will discuss that later lah. Okay, next is how we calculate the value of series and parallel resistor. Okay, okay. Hopefully, you don't have any question. If you have any question, then you can ask me through. You can ask me later. You can always ask me. Okay, next is we will see how we calculate in theory the value of resistance which connected in series and also in parallel, and also series and parallel combined. Okay, resistor, total resistance of n resistors connected in series. Okay, the most common, sorry, the easiest, the simple connection of resistor is in series. They call it series, meaning you connect each resistor in series. Connect one resistor 1, resistor 2, resistor 3, resistor 4, resistor 5 connected in series, and then you connect to the power supply. This is the simplest form of connection. So how we calculate the total resistance, RT, R total. So R total of all series resistors or all resistors connected in series is just the sum, the total sum of those resistors value. So R total for resistors connected in series is R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus any resistor up to Rn, number of resistors. Contohlah, tambah je lah. This is for series connected. Ini dah tahu lah. Okay. Kalau macam ni, 1 tambah 5.6. Sorry. This is 1000 kilo ohm, 560 kilo ohm, 1000 kilo ohm, 680 kilo ohm, 10,000 kilo ohm. So you need to be careful of this value. Mega ohm, kilo ohm, mega ohm, kilo ohm, mega ohm. So you need to uh, to convert to only one, convert into a same unit. So kalau you calculate in kilo ohm, you kena convert lah. So mega ohm convert kepada kilo ohm, jadi 1000 kilo ohm sama dengan 1.0 mega ohm. Okay, ini calculate sajalah. Okay, for total resistance of resistors in parallel, so ini parallel lah. R1 parallel dengan R2, parallel dengan R3, parallel dengan Rn sampai N lah. So semua ni ialah 1, 2 connecting pada node yang sama. Antara ni dia tak ada resistor sini. Sini tak ada resistor. Dipanggil node yang sama. Ni tak ada resistor kat tengah ni. Kalau ada resistor kat sini, dia tak boleh guna equation ni. Okay. Untuk yang tak ada, dia just purely parallel connection. So you can use this equation. 1 over R total equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus hingga 1 over Rn. So kita kata reciprocal lah. Reciprocal of R total equal to reciprocal of R1 plus reciprocal of R2 plus reciprocal of R3 plus bla bla until reciprocal of Rn. Ataupun kita panggil invert. R total invert equal to 1 over R1 invert plus 1 over, R total invert equal to R1 invert plus R2 invert plus R3 invert bla bla bla. Okay. Okay. Boleh lah. Jangan Kita expect you boleh faham benda ni. Simple. Okay, this is the table showing standard resistor values. Plus minus with the tolerance. Okay, plus minus tolerance. So you have here the value. Okay, kalau you nak buat design, penting benda ni. Penting you tahu nilai ni. Jangan you letak je nilai apa. Contohnya contohnya nilai yang tak ada. You letak je 32 kilo ohm contohnya. Oh ada. 32 ada. Nombor 3.2 ada 3.2. Tak apalah. Boleh tengok benda ni So ini contoh standard value. Setengah-setengah nilai yang kita letak tak ada. Kalau kita nak buat design, kita kena tengok maksudnya perintah all the resistor in the market, they will follow certain value. Kadang-kadang nilai yang kita nak tu kita klik dapat kan, tapi tak ada nilai tu. Kena ambil tengok dia punya tolerance macam mana. Okay, the next topic is about variable resistor. Tadi kita bincang berkenaan dengan fixed, okay, fixed resistor. Ini fixed and variable. So dah habis bahagian fixed. Kita tengok variable resistor. So variable means you can vary, can change the value. Variable resistor are designed so that their resistance values can be changed easily, can be changed. Biasa dia tanda, ada gambar dia? Tak ada. Biasanya dia akan tulis macam ni. Simbol dia macam ni. Sama je. Okay. Ni R. Dia akan ada ni. So meaning that this is the variable resistor. Can change the value. Dia ada dia punya apa? Range dia lah, range dia. Berapa daripada berapa ke berapa. Contohnya 1K hingga 5K. Value variable resistor tu. Ataupun 10K hingga 22K. Contohlah nilai dia. So, kita boleh vary kan nilai resistance ni dalam range ni. Depends pada spec dia. Variable resistor are designed so that their resistance value can be changed easily. Two basic use for variable resistors are to divide voltage and to control current. Ini ialah two main function of variable resistance. Potentiometer is one kind of variable resistor used to divide voltage. Okay, so dalam banyak variable resistor ni salah satu jenis dia dinama, it is called potentiometer. So the potentiometer is one example of variable resistor that can be used to divide voltage. Okay, resistors used to control current is called rheostat. Variable resistor used to control current is called rheostat. So divide voltage dipanggil potentiometer, control current dipanggil rheostat. You boleh Google lah benda apa details. Okay. Okay, so that's all for the first part of uh, this lecture. I will provide you some ini nota je kan. So I will definitely provide you some example of calculation. Trik dekat sini ialah calculation ni lah. Calculation ni. Series and parallel. And also you can expect combination of series and parallel. Itu tricky lah kan. Tapi tak adalah tricky sangat kan. Saya akan bagi dalam nota yang lain lah, ataupun kita panggil tutorial lah. Saya akan bagi soalan, you buat, nanti you discuss. Nanti saya akan sediakan jawapan. Ataupun you discuss lah. Kalau sama jawapan tu betul lah. Okay ya? So that's all for first part of this lecture. The second part we will discuss about the capacitor and so on. And I think capacitor and transistor, right? Transistor is for the next topic. Okay. If you have any question, then you can ask me through either if we meet in face-to-face class later on, or you can ask me through WhatsApp or maybe Telegram or email. Okay, that's all. I think we can finish our class with doa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي اللهم افتح علينا حكمتك وانشر علينا من خزائن رحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. So, hingga bertemu lagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.